Elon Musk bought Twitter because he used Twitter. He paid $44 billion and immediately lost tens of billions of dollars doing it. You've had a lot of hassle since you bought it. In retrospect, was it worth buying it?
I mean, it remains to be seen as to whether this was financially smart. Currently, it is not. We just revalued the company at less than half of the acquisition price.
Did you really?
Yes. No, my timing was terrible because it was right before advertising plummeted, and
you caught the high water mark, I noticed.
Yeah. So I must be a real genius here. My timing is amazing.
Well, it's easy to point and laugh at Elon Musk's current misfortune. We really won't know how the investment will play out for many, many years. It could be 10 years even. It could even be a decade till we can fully calculate how this Twitter acquisition will play out for Elon Musk. It's very common for stocks to be priced at 2 times the growth rate in normal market conditions. So the fact that the financial value for Twitter might be half as much isn't really a big deal. When you factor a high growth rate, a company over a decade might go 8 or 10 times the initial value. So we really won't know until possibly even a decade later if this was a good investment or not. Because as they say, it's not till the fat lady sings that we will know that it's over.